Hello, we're at the Trainscape, and this is at the Medical City in Dallas, Texas, and they did a really good job on this. Um, Here's the backdrop, and they have, so it's free. You can just kind of walk in here and look around, and they did an incredible job on building this place. Kind of show some of the train tracks here. Here's one of the bridges they built.
The big show.
We got a tunnel, and they have rocks. The train goes into the tunnel, and there's another tunnel down here. And let's see.
Look at those polar bears.
Oh yeah, polar bears.
Snow.
Snow. They have, are those wrestlers? The Big D. Kind of looks realistic. They did a good job on that. Oh, there is the train through the hole. Let's go over here and see if we can see it. Oh, there it goes, yeah. Oh, they got a party going on the back of the train? See if we can go back over here. Is it coming down the hall? Party train. This is the most amazing train thing ever. Oh, there it goes down. Okay, so it just keeps going around and around. And
Look, it's gonna go up there.
oh, I hear it. Oh, there it goes. There's another one. Oh, look, there's a bridge right there. Look at that. Yeah, so pretty amazing train station here at the Children's Medical City of Dallas. Oh, there goes another. Okay, let me show this thing right here. So this is, it's called Children's Medical Center Trainscape. And they have a schedule that they show. Oh, yeah, there it goes.
And it's going through that bridge.
Where does it come out at? Oh, it's going all the way under the tunnel, probably way up there.
Would it be cool if you had a GoPro on there? It's up there, it's up there.
Oh yeah, it's a great idea. Stick the camera on there and let it go around.
GoPro. Oh, Dad, look, it's down here.
Oh, buddy.
There's a train coming in here.
Yeah, so amazing little place. If you want to take the kids, it's free. You can just come on to the Children's Medical Center and bring the kids in. And this is probably one of the coolest train places we've seen, huh, Drake?
Tom's choo-choo train.
It's time. Yeah, if your kids love trains, this is the place to bring them. Boy, this is one of the biggest ones I've seen. This is a beautiful, awesome place.